So guys, as promised from my Primark come shop with me that I did on Monday. Well, it's currently Monday today, but as I'm shooting this video, but like this video is going up on Friday. I promised that I'd do like a luxury homeware haul on a budget. Well, from the store that I got from Dunelm, which is £49. Everything else is on a budget. I went shopping in Primark, Homesense, Matalan, Wilko, Poundland, and Dunelm. I've got like 6 items, and like I got something from each store. We're gonna start off with Homesense because this one I feel like is so unique, right? And I saw this right here. It was literally, I went shopping for bin bags. My local Sainsbury's store don't sell the recycling bin bags, so I have to like travel just to buy bin bags. Like, why you gotta make it a struggle to recycle? At first I saw this random guy just walk into Matalan. I was like, what? Why did he walk in like that? I literally forgot that some of like homeware stores had opened. So I went into Matalan, and then I was looking around with like filled with so much joy. My heart was bursting with like so much joy that Matalan was open. I was looking around, and then I stopped and I was like, oh, wait, hold up, is Homesense open? Homesense is like literally a couple of stores down to Matalan. I literally saw a lady coming down and she had a Homesense like bag. I was like, oh yes. And I went into Homesense. All the Easter stuff were literally like £1.20. I saw this downstairs before I went upstairs. I know, right? Obviously you're thinking, what is it? Wow, it's a picture frame. Yeah, if you can get this in silver as well, but I got gold. You know, gold. That's the song, right? You are gold. I might be 29, but like there's certain like songs for like back in the day when like you would have been such a small child, or probably wouldn't have been born yet. When you like listen now when they play it, I'm like, oh, that's my tune. It was £5.99. Even now, I've got it all set up here, sitting like facing me on like the dining table. It just looks so nice. And I'm looking for like with my home, I want like a minimalist look. But like when I say minimalist, I want a minimalist look, but I want pretty furniture. Like I want things to look like unique. I don't like too many things going on. Like, yeah, I don't like too much furniture because it means that when I'm cleaning, I've got to clean bare things. I've got to move a lot of things. I don't like that. Moving on to Primark, I got this. This was what I went to Primark for. I saw this in a haul back in March or February. And I was like, oh my goodness, I gotta get it, and it's £6 as well. And yeah, I went to Primark the day they opened. Oh my goodness, do I regret going? But then at the same time, would I have found it? Would I have got it if I came like later on or something like that? Pane length is like 27 centimeters, and the plant length is the fake plant length is 45 centimeters. This is going in the boys' room, and yeah, I'm continuing to redecorate their room. So this will be in part 2. Part 1 I've already filmed, it's uploaded, yeah, it's scheduled. I've got a bunch of videos scheduled. I am literally excited because their room's dark blue and it needs like a pop of colour. There's a theme of like gold, right? I told you, it's like luxury decor but on a budget. In Matalan, I got these on my birthday. I saw them the same week of my birthday prior to my birthday. I have been looking for canisters for such a long time to store my tea and coffee, because the ones I have, it's black and white, it's from Flying Copenhagen Tiger. They were £2 each, and they're so boring, and I'm getting sick and tired of my kitchen being boring. I think maybe Wednesday I'm going to like redecorate my kitchen, yeah, with these canisters. Like they have like this like line detail, like you can literally feel the line, but the gold and this color and this like detail. So yeah, tea and sugar is going in here. Yeah, oh, £8 each, by the way. On my birthday I went out, just me and the baby. I wanted peace and quiet. I don't know, this past couple of days I've just been feeling a little bit like moody, and I just went to the shops by myself to get like obviously essentials. Yeah, I went to shops, just me and the baby, no kids. Like, it's nagging me or annoying me. Actually, when I got to the train station to like come back, I literally got to the train station, and I know that Matalan is literally like 5 minutes away from the train station. I got to the train station. I was like, no, let me go to Matalan. Literally turned around. I was like, I've got to go and get those canisters. Next, in Wilko, I picked up this. They're doing this really like lovely, like luxury lunch boxes. Yeah, that's what it is. It's a lunch box. And obviously, I don't need a lunch box. But if you do, for your kids, basically, if you do need a lunch box or when you're going back to work, right? Wilko are selling these £2 each. Yeah, it's £2. They're lunch boxes, right? And yeah, it's basically like that. And there's a stripy one, but I got the lemon one. I'm not going to use it as a lunch box. And also, yeah, it comes with an elastic to make sure the lunch doesn't fall out. And yeah, I got this just to like as a storage container for like, you know, like leftover food and stuff. This would be nice, like to take like lunch, you guys. Really, really nice. Poundland, I picked up this. It's the wheelie bin sticker kits. Basically, these are like stickers you can stick on. You cut it with scissors, and like it's got adhesive basically. They're stickers, right? And then you can stick it wherever. Like it's waterproof. Like it's waterproof. I'm looking over there because I'm going to use it on my plant pot. This is the garden door. I'm going to use it and put it on my plant pot. And yeah, this will be like a DIY. So I got this for like £1. But it says it's for wheelie bins. But then it's over here. You can put it on windows, mirror, shower, the shower window, shower screen. Yeah, bath screen, whatever you call it. It says at the bottom, waterproof and weatherproof. And lastly, you would have seen from my, if you watch my vlog, I'll link up here. I was looking for a footstool in B&M. Like, I was looking for a footstool for my dressing table, and the one that I saw in B&M, all gone. But I ended up finding a stool in Dunelm. Yes, Dunelm, that luxury like homeware store. And I want to shop there even more because I found out like there's one like in my area, so I am definitely like gonna like check them out. Like seriously, I found this stool. It's actually a footstool, but it's perfect for my dressing table. But yeah, let me just grab it. It's a midnight blue color. Here it is. Yeah, as you can see, it's massive. Right, but and it's got like this like line detail here, and it's got this wooden like detail. Really simple to like install it. Just literally like you see as I'm literally turning it. Yeah, you can see like literally just boom, sealed. Yeah, and then on top of that, it's got storage space. Yeah, it literally has storage space. I have no idea what I'm going to store in here, but it's good to know. Maybe extra nappies, because sometimes in my drawer I don't have the space to put all the nappies, so maybe all the nappies can go in the store. Yeah, so guys, that is it for my homeware haul. I am gonna go and rest because it's been a long day queuing in Primark. Oh my goodness, I have never ever regretted queuing up before. I've never regretted going into a store before until today. I literally regretted going. Yeah, I don't need to sleep. I just need to rest, and I need quiet. The queue was that long. I was literally like editing like thumbnail pictures of like videos that I've scheduled. Like it was that long. I was trying to find anything to entertain me. I even edited the like thumbnail picture of the Primark like video that I'm already uploaded. I was literally, oh my goodness, go to Primark in the afternoon or near closing time. Yeah, do that. I'll see you guys next time.